Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change flight date on Ryanair. The first thing I'd like you to do is to access your booking. And how do you access your booking? Navigate to www.ryanair.com from your browser. Go ahead and click on login at the top right corner, enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on my bookings from the top right corner of your screen, and once you click on it, it's going to take you to a window where you see a list of your upcoming and past flights. Now I do not have any upcoming or past flights to view, so there's nothing to show, but if you do, you're going to find them here. So here you see a list of your upcoming and past flights. Now find the flight you wish to modify and click on manage this booking right next to it. Now let's proceed to change your flight date. Within the booking details, once you click on manage this booking right next to any flight, it's going to take you to the booking details, right? Within the booking details, go ahead and click on change your flight option. Once you do that, choose a specific flight segment you want to modify. Enter the new desired date, time, or route for your flight. So a breakdown of any fare differences and change fees will appear. If you agree with the new details and cost, go ahead and click on continue. Then enter your payment details to cover any applicable fees. Click pay now to confirm the changes, and you receive an updated email itinerary with your new flight details. I'd like you to note that you can change your flight online up to 2.5 hours before the scheduled departure time of the original or new flight, whichever is earlier. Changes are subject to payment of a change fee and any fare difference. If the new fare is cheaper, Ryanair will not refund the difference. So that's practically the process. Now here are some more important notes or points to keep in mind when changing your flight. You can change your flight online up to 2.5 hours before the scheduled departure time. Changes are subject to payment of a change fee per person per flight. You must also pay any difference between the original fare and the new fare. And if the new fare is cheaper, Ryanair will not refund the difference. You cannot change a domestic flight to an international flight or vice versa due to VAT-related issues. Some changes, such as modifying one passenger's flight in a multi-passenger booking, may require contacting Ryanair directly. And there you have it. Changing your flight date on Ryanair web app is a straightforward process, so always remember to review any applicable fees and fare differences before confirming your changes. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped your search.